Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download, install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on Windows operating systems. I am going to install on Windows 11, but the process is same on all Windows operating systems. PostgreSQL.org is the official website. See here, the latest release is PostgreSQL 17.4 at the time of making this video. Click on download, then click on Windows, then we have to click on this download installer. See here, the latest PostgreSQL 17 version is 17.4. Okay, so click on this under x86-64, click on this download button. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started, go to downloads. See here, its size is 335 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will install the PostgreSQL 17.4. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now click on this PostgreSQL 17.4 Windows x64 exe file. Click on it. Click on next. See, this is the installation directory. If you want to change, you have to click on this browse button. I am okay with this default one, so click on next. Now we have to select the components. The first one is PostgreSQL server. It is the database server and pgAdmin is the GUI tool. See, pgAdmin is graphical interface for managing and working with PostgreSQL databases and servers. Okay. Stack builder, it has additional tools like tools, drivers and applications to complete the PostgreSQL installation. Command line tools, see here we have the different command line tools like ecpg, pg_base backup, pgdump, pgrestore, pgbench and many and more. Okay. So I want to install all these components. Then click on next. And we have to provide the data directory. See, this is the default directory. As I told you, if you want to change the data directory, you have to click on this browse button and select the path. Okay. Then click on next. Now we have to set the password for the database superuser, that is Postgres. Okay. So remember this password which is required to connect to PostgreSQL server. Then click on next. And default port number, see, this is the port number for the PostgreSQL. So if you want to give some other, give the port number here. Then click on next. Local settings, I am going with the defaults. See, this is the installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on next. Ready to install. This is just confirmation. Click on next to install. See, installation has been started. See, completing the PostgreSQL setup wizard. If you go to start all applications, go to the PostgreSQL folder. See here we have the PostgreSQL 17. In this, see here we have the pgAdmin, application stack builder and PSQL. Okay, so I don't want to launch stack builder at this moment, so unselect it and click on finish. Okay, we have successfully installed. Now go to again PostgreSQL folder, or you can search for the PSQL. See here we have the SQL shell. Open it. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. See, PostgreSQL is installed on this PC, so localhost is fine. Hit enter. Database also we have the Postgres. Port number 5432. Username Postgres. Then provide the password that we have set at the time of installation. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server. See. But notice here 17.4, this is the client version. But if you want to find the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.4. Okay. Now we are going to see how to create a database. First, verify list of databases. \l is the command to verify list of databases. See, these are the 3 default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Now create a database. Create. Now verify again. See, we have these databases. We can also get the list of the databases information by running the query against. Select star from pg_database. See, we got the more information. Okay, like OID, that is object ID, dat name is database name, dat DBM is owner name. Okay, now we are going to switch to this new database bank and create a table. So to switch to database, we have to use \c or \connect. Then we have to provide the database name. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Before that, verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables because this is the fresh database. So create a table. Now verify again. See here we have a table that is customer and its owner name is Postgres and schema name is public. We have only one schema that is public. Okay. Now insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have these two rows. Now we will see how to create a user. Before that, verify list of the users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privileges. Okay, let us create a user. Create. Now verify. See here, we have the new user James. Okay. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service on Windows operating systems. Windows run, then go to services.msc or start, search for services. See here we have the services application. Either is fine. Okay. So open it. Then go to P. See here we have the PostgreSQL 17 and its status is running. So if you want to restart, right click and select restart or select the service here and click on restart link or click on this restart button. All three options are set. If you want to stop, select stop or stop link or stop button. Okay. Now we will connect with this new user. Again open PSQL shell. Server name localhost, database same, port same, username, give the new user, that is this one, James. Okay, hit enter, then provide the password. See, this is the password for this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. If you want to verify the current user, select current underscore user. See, we have successfully connected with the user James. Now try to switch to bank database. See, you are now connected to the database bank as user James. Now run the query. Customer. It won't work. See, permission denied for the table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. So to read or modify or update or delete or to perform any action, we have to grant privileges to this user on this object. I mean table. Okay. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL by using pgAdmin. Go to here, pgAdmin. See here we have the pgAdmin 4. Open it and we have another tool that is dbeaver. I have already installed dbeaver on my PC. If you haven't installed, you can go through my channel and search for how to install dbeaver. Okay, let me open this one also. Okay, it's opening. See, this is the pgAdmin console. Right click on servers, register, then select server. Then here provide the server name. Name can be anything. Then go to connections tab. Here give the local host because PostgreSQL is installed on this PC. And maintenance database Postgres, username also. Provide the password of this user. Or you can give the user that you have created. Then click on save. See, you have successfully connected. See, you have bank database. Right click on the database. Then select query tool. Now we can run queries against this database. Select the query and click on execute. See, you got the output. This is one tool. See, here also we can create users. Expand here. This is the user that we have created. These are the default. Okay, right click, create, then select the login or group role. Okay, now go to here. We want to connect PostgreSQL, click on this connection button, then select the PostgreSQL, then click on next. Then here, host name is localhost, port number same, show all databases, then provide the password of this Postgres user. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected, click on OK, click on finish. So you got the connection, expand it, expand databases. See here we have bank database. If you want to run queries against this one, right click, select SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries here. Customer, select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on Windows operating system. Then we have seen how to connect to PostgreSQL by using pgAdmin and dbeaver on Windows operating systems. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.